Hello viewers, I'm Paul White and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm at Brisbane Central Station. I'm going to film a couple of trains whilst I'm waiting for my train. That'll take me to the Gold Coast via Helensvale. Anyway viewers, if you haven't yet subscribed to Paul's Train Vlogs, please hit the subscribe button on the bottom right hand corner of the screen. And also don't forget to please ring the notification bell icon to receive notifications about my current and future releases. And thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. Anyway viewers, that's all for this episode of Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm going to wrap up the episode. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. Don't forget to give the video the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and favourite the video, and I will see you in the next episode. Until we meet again, it's goodbye for now.